Hey there, I hope you're doing great. Today, we shall deep dive on one of the Agile flavors called Dynamic System Development Method. The Dynamic System Development Method is an agile methodology for developing software and non IT solutions in an incremental and iterative releases. Now, let us see what is Dynamic System Development Method. DSDM is an agile methodology was first released in 1994, which is iterative and more comprehensive approach to project management, as it includes a wide range of roles that involves project governance. DSDM was developed in the 1990s post the rise of the rapid application development approach, which focused on adopting traditional waterfall methodology, which lacked a proper structure to grow. However, DSDM enabled experts to share their best practices and helped to develop a proper agile framework. DSDM is one of the agile methods for developing software and non IT solutions. DSDM has recognized the need to operate alongside of other frameworks for service delivery like Prince2, managing successful programs, and PMI. Now let us see how DSDM works. DSDM is a vendor independent approach that recognizes that most projects fail due to people problem than technology. DSDM helps focus on people to effectively work together and achieve business goals. DSDM is also independent of tools and techniques, enabling it to be used in any business and technical environment without tying the business to a particular vendor. DSDM is further supported by 8 principles. Now, let us see each one of them in detail. Now, there are 8 principles supporting DSDM. These principles direct the team in their attitude and mindset they must adopt to deliver consistently. First, focus on the business need. That means focus on the problems which impacts the business heavily. Second, deliver on time, which means deliver as per the defined and agreed timeline. Collaborate, meaning bringing together relevant people or team for effective task completion. Never compromise on quality, which means to deliver what you committed to the customer. Now, build incrementally from firm foundations and develop iteratively actually talks about agile methodology. Seventh, communicate continuously and clearly. This helps to clear doubts and confusions. And eighth, demonstrate control. Now let us see how DSDM works. So DSDM fixes cost, quality, and time and uses the Moscow prioritization method to scope into following. First, must haves. These are essential features of the project. Second, should have. These features aren't necessary. Third, could have. These needs will only have a marginal impact. And fourth, won't have or will not have right now are those features that do not benefit the project. Thus, Moscow prioritization method adjusts the project deliverables to meet the stated time constraint. Alongside, DSDM uses some of the core techniques. First, time boxing. It is an approach for completing the project incrementally. Second, Moscow prioritization technique is for prioritizing the work items or requirements. Third, prototyping, which refers to the creation of prototypes of the system under development at an early stage of the project. Fourth, testing, which helps ensure a solution of good quality. DSDM advocates testing throughout each iteration. Fifth, workshop, which brings project stakeholders together to discuss requirements. Sixth, modeling, which helps visualize a business domain and improve its understanding. Seventh, configuration management. With multiple deliverables under development at the same time and being delivered incrementally at the end of each time box, the deliverables need to be well managed towards the completion. As this is a quick deep dive on DSDM, let us lastly see roles in DSDM. Executive sponsor. Executive sponsor is the project champion or authority to commit appropriate funds and resources and has the authority or power to make decisions. Visionary is one who has the responsibility to initialize the project. Ambassador user. He brings the knowledge of the user community into the project. Advisor user. Advisor user can be any user that represents an important viewpoint and knowledge of the project. Project manager. Project manager can be anyone who manages the project in general. Technical coordinator is responsible in designing the system architecture and controls quality of the project. Team leader. Team leader leads their team and ensures that the team works effectively. Solution developer interprets the system requirement and models it. Solution tester checks for the correctness in a technical extent by performing testing, raising defects, and retesting it once fixed. Scribe or record keeping, responsible for gathering and recording the requirements, arrangements, and decisions made in every workshop. Facilitator is responsible for managing the workshop's progress, acts as a motivator for preparation and communication. Specialist role. This is a business architect, quality manager, or system integrator. So, this is a quick glimpse of a DSDM for today's session. In our next session, we shall pick on another agile flavor and deep dive on it. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, request you to please subscribe to it and press a bell icon to know about our upcoming post. Thank you for watching.